Over the past few weeks, we have personally been shopping around for wireless dual lapel microphone sets that possibly would be a good use for our future projects. Yes, I might set up another channel and maybe do a bit of podcasting, you never know. So, out of a selection of 4 to 5 star reviews on Amazon, we came across this XIAOLO microphone kit for £39. That's around $49 US. But for that price, what should you expect to receive? Well, first of all, we get a real handy instruction guide. It is a multi-language guide, which basically will show you how to set up the microphone kit with simplicity. We are provided with our handy little storage case, which is not only good for helping transport and keep your microphones intact, loss-free, but it will also charge the microphones while you're on the go. And because we've already tested this product out over the past week, realistically, you should expect around 3 full recharges of both microphone units using the charge case, with each one of the XIAOLO microphones lasting up to 6 hours with continuous use. Nope, not the 10 hours that was advertised, I'm afraid. But all the same, quite impressive really. The charge case has a magnetic lid, and although everything is embedded, there still is a bit of a rattle when you shake it about. Obviously, while that charge case is in your pocket, I wouldn't say it's over the top bulky. And to charge the case, we are provided with a Type-C charge cable and a nice, pull cord carry bag. Lovely, bit of velvet. As we go ahead and take the microphones out, as you can see, just like the charge case, the XIAOLO brand is indeed printed on the front. We have a sturdy feeling spring-back lapel clip, allowing you to clip the mic real swift onto your shirt, just like so. With that omnidirectional microphone to the top, facing outwards. So yep, the noise all the way around the microphone should be picked up rather well. As you can see here to the left side of both of the microphone units, there is a Type-C charge socket. So obviously, there's 2 ways to charge the microphones. One by placing them back into the charge case, and 2 with the Type-C charge cable that is provided. The last remaining piece of tech that we do get in the package is the Type-C for Android microphone receiver that basically plugs directly into your mobile phone Type-C charge port. Now for compatibility, if you've got a laptop and PC that is compatible with a Type-C port, then this particular microphone receiver should also work with that PC. Yes, it's plug and play, it should work straight away, and apparently XIAOLO do have an iPhone version too, I think. Get commenting in the comment section if you've got one. So yes, when you plug in that XIAOLO receiver into the bottom of your phone, with that XIAOLO logo facing forward, you should see a sync LED red light. Go ahead and grab a microphone, hold the power button for a second, it should turn on, and nope, it hardly has a time to actually go into pairing mode. It will connect automatically, and before you ask, no, without the receiver, it won't connect to your mobile device via Bluetooth. That's not how it works, alright? And basically, this setup is as simple as that. Plug it in, turn your microphones on, and you're free to now record whatever you want. So for example, you can record video, it will automatically know that the receiver is plugged in, and that's the same with voice recordings too. So this particular receiver and mic set would be good for voiceovers, and it does also have a 4 noise reduction mode. So you've got a no noise reduction mode, a low noise reduction mode, a mid mode, high mode, and actually a weird echo mode. Yeah. Must admit, our preferred setting was a low level noise reduction mode. Not only did it leave our voice remaining quite clear, but it did block out relatively annoying noises in the background. Now you can turn it up a level, you can actually go up to the highest level, but you are however going to be balancing out the voice clarity in return of noise reduction of the background. Yeah. So yes, I would stick to the low level noise reduction. It should, rather than having no noise reduction, block out that background hiss, with your voice remaining very much crystal clear. Right guys, so in this section of the video, we've actually got the lapel mics in place upon our shirts. This is Julia, my missus. She's got her own channel, Makeup in Time with Julia. Say hi, Julia.
Hi.
So yeah, the mics are now live, and this is exactly the type of mic quality that you should expect when the microphones go live. And I'll just show you a quick example of what the microphone quality is going to be like in comparison to when you're not actually using it. Okay, so that. So now the microphone receiver's not plugged in. We're now using the microphone to put my mobile phone. So yeah, basic mic pickup. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. And as you can tell, the microphone quality is dramatically improved.
Yeah, now that we've watched a few videos back, so I can actually tell between when you have this on and when you don't have it on. It's more clearer when you have this microphone on. So definitely I'm going to be using this on my video. You know, when I'm making my own video, I'm going to be definitely using this.
And not only that, there doesn't seem to be any type of latency issues whatsoever. In fact, you know what?
What?
Should we see what the distance like?
Well, when you are making video, you don't need to be far off camera.
Oh, just in case, let me just nip downstairs. I'll keep talking. I'll see if it picks me up. So let me just go ahead. Julie can be all beautiful on the camera. I'll just run downstairs. Don't call me names. I'll be able to hear you on the playback. So yes, I'm going downstairs just now. Hopefully it's still picking me up. It's a full concrete build home. I'm going right to the back of the house. And if it is still picking my voice up, it's doing very well because it is only advertised as having a distance of around about 20 feet, which right now I'm right behind the building and I'm about 35 feet away from the mobile device. Let me come back up the stairs. This is a true test, guys. Oh God, nearly fell up the stairs then. And if this beauty would like to move out the way, thank you. I'm back again. Yeah, not bad. Nice, crisp, clean voice pickup, and I certainly can recommend them. Look, just sits nicely in place. Good enough to do makeup reviews. Yeah. So if you want to check out Makeup in Time with Julia, yep, I've left a link again at the end of this video or in the video description down below. But what I personally think about this microphone today is good. I'm out of breath. Running up the stairs.
Oh, I see.
What do you mean? It's going to be good for podcasting. We actually thinking about doing, yes, a joint chat channel or even podcast. You don't what?
Okay. All right. Let the time.
She's arguing already. Do you want to get married or do you want to do it, you know?
Go on. That way, I'm all right.
In regards to these particular microphones today, I would actually think it would be good for podcasting because we want to do some traveling in the future. You know what? I think these would actually be quite good. Walking around, you know, recording, especially when we went to Paris, these would have been great.
Especially the fact that you can pick up the sound, you know, kind of silent what is like surrounding. You concentrate on your voice. That's what I like about it.
Well, do you know what? If you press one of these buttons just there, the power button, hopefully I can feel it without looking. If I press it once, it now has noise cancellation. So that's noise cancellation 1. So it blocks out, like, we can hear the boiler in the background. I don't know about you guys, but it might just blanket that out now. And do you know what? Weirdly enough, it's actually got an echo effect. So if you press level 4, it should be echo, echo, echo 1. Hopefully, no? It's a bit of a weird mode to have. So yes, you can choose to have both microphones set up, ideal for doing any type of podcasts, or just use one single one for recording. Placing the other in the charge case, and when your lapel microphone that you're actually using, the battery goes low, well just swap them around so you can extend the use. That's good, isn't it? Charging each one of the units doesn't take long really. It takes 1 hour 42 minutes exactly. Well, that's what we timed it out anyway. Yeah, it takes 1 hour 42 minutes to charge them. And when they're indeed placed within that charge unit, but you didn't know this, look, it's actually got a cool battery status, which is hidden discreetly on the front panel of the XIAOLO charge case. Yeah, very stunning. And oh, just in case you're thinking, oh, my phone might be running low on juice, what am I going to do? Well, the receiver has that Type-C pass-through charge port. So you can basically plug in your normal charge cable into the XIAOLO receiver and it will charge your phone and you can still be able to actually use it, yeah. So overall, what do I think? Well, I think that the XIAOLO mic kit, it is really quite useful. I was impressed by the very lengthy transmission range, being able to record upstairs and actually go down into the garden and still be able to pick my voice up on the microphone and have it received upon my mobile device on the second floor. Ooh. No, we didn't experience any type of transmission breakup, and it allows you basically to move around freely with no rustling around, by the way, with the lapel microphone on your shirt, that is. And I personally think, well, I've made a wise choice by choosing this XIAOLO microphone kit today. So if you're thinking about doing traveling or any type of vlogging, interviews or meetings, or even in fact you're doing some type of tech reviews that we're doing, well, this XIAOLO kit will be a perfect low-cost solution, and I'm going to salute it with a rating of 9 out of 10. Now, one thing you didn't know, guys, is because we've already reviewed this, we've done this full voiceover with the lapel microphone. Yeah, you didn't know that, did you? And you can tell how crisp my voice has been all the way through, with no distortion when I've been talking loud like this. So if you want to check this lapel microphone kit out for yourself, or go in the video description down below where I've left a handy little link, and if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible. It actually helps us grow much more faster. Yeah. Not only that, hey, subscribe, will ya? Every subscription counts, and we would really much appreciate it. Bearing in mind though, to hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our brand new uploads, yeah. Now, if you want to check out some of our previous reviews, there's one showing on screen just now. Or you could wait for the next one. Here's one just here. Might interest you. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and peace out, bro. Yeah.